One of the most interesting secrets about fire is that trying to keep forests from burning by extensively logging them can actually be worse for the forest than leaving it alone. I see this all the time, and now scientists do too. They looked at over 1,000 fires in the western United States and found that forests with the highest levels of protection, like wilderness and scenic areas, tend to burn the least severely. That's pretty interesting, because these days some people are telling us we need to log forests to save them from fire. Turns out, natural forests are more likely to keep fires on the ground and leave trees alive. That's because older trees have thick bark that doesn't burn easily, and their branches are high off the ground so the fire can't reach the needles and leaves. Shade from big trees makes the forest floor stay cooler and trap moisture. Even in the hot summer, that helps keep flames smaller. But when people log forests and turn them into tree plantations, that makes them more likely to burn hot. Fire moving through tree plantations is more likely to climb up into the tops of trees and kill them. Careful thinning in forests immediately near homes followed by controlled burning, on the other hand, can help keep people and communities safe. Most logging takes out the big trees, dries out the forest floor, and leaves piles of branches that can contribute to big, hot fires. In place of the natural forest, plantations are densely packed with trees, like a crop. These trees grow up to be the same height with their branches touching those of neighboring trees. If one tree branch catches fire, the flames quickly spread from tree to tree and the entire forest burns. Forests that are logged and turned into plantations are like kindling for a campfire, and natural forests are more like the big, thick logs that can be hard to light. So would you rather live near a tree plantation or a natural wild forest?